So in this Kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book 4-star hotels here on Kayak.com. So once Kayak's opened up, I want you to go ahead and make sure that stays or hotels are selected here, then type in your location. So for example, if you wanted to go to Las Vegas, but you only wanted to stay in a 4-star hotel, press on Vegas, go to your dates, and then select on search. Now, once you're here to sort it so that, as you can see by default, there's 3-star hotels, etc., go to the top right to where it says hotel class right here. Press on the drop down, make sure that 4 and above is selected in regards to stars, and then press on apply. Now, if you want to make sure that the 4 stars are showing first, so in this case you see the Win, the Encore, etc., but you want to see more of the Platinum hotels and other 4 stars, go to where it says recommended right here, then go to where it says price low to high. What this will typically do is actually sort the price based on 4-star hotels and above. So you can go ahead and just kind of scroll right here. There's a bunch of different 4-star hotels that you can look to book for your vacation. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book 4-star hotels here on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.